Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel DIY Youth. Today I'm going to change this one. It's a brake sensor, brake pad wear sensor. It was a rear wheel, so I'll change this one on my BMW today. I'm going to change it because last time before I bought this car, the previous owner did change the brake pads but didn't reset the brake light on the dash. So I tried to reset it, but it doesn't work. You can see on my previous video I posted like how to reset it, and it failed. I tried different stuff like I tried to unplug the sensor, and I open it from down here. I tried to unplug the sensor and try to plug it back and reset it, but it didn't work. So I bought this one. This is a brand Boa. I bought it on FTP Euro. I'm going to change it today. It should be like maybe 15 minutes work, and I will reset the light again. I will show you guys. First of all, I'm gonna remove the wheel, and then we'll go from there. See you. So I'll remove this massive, huge wheel. Yeah, it's pretty huge. And now, as you can see, the brake pads are very good. So here is a sensor. So here goes the sensor. So to remove it, it's simple. You just need to pull it out, just like that. Hold it and pull it out just like that. So as you can see, this metal clip has been left inside, so you need to take this out too. I will use a pair of pliers to remove it. And this sensor goes here, so you just need to remove this cap on the blade. Right, just remove this cap like that. Follow the cable. So to do it with one hand, I will use a small screwdriver. Like that. One ball here inside, and you just follow the wires and remove these clips until you reach the back where it's connected. So the back, what I will do, I will remove the aluminum shell here. Just 2 screws, one more here, and there's one more. Okay. And I'll show you. So from the bottom you have 2 bolts, 8mm bolt, 1 and 2. So I'll remove this too and put this, like, take it out just like that, and we'll have access to the connection. Okay, so I remove the two bolt, and now I pull this out, and now I have access to the connection box. So just need to open these two tabs here. I'll use my small screwdriver and open it. So once you open the connection box, you will see here, this is a connection for the brake pad sensor, and the other one is for the ABS. So you just need to unplug this one here. It's better using a small screwdriver. Put it right here. Yeah, and so here's a new sensor. It already has a clip in it. So I'll just do the reverse process and put everything back on. So maybe I'll start by putting the sensor here first. You just need to go right here. Just like that. Just push it in, just like that. Next, this one should go here. And this one goes on top right here. Close it. And you just follow the path right here and here, and it goes up to the connection box behind it. If you see, I put the new sensor here. Follow it behind this cap here. Follow all this path right here up to here, and make the connection. Now I'll put it back in the box and close the box and put back on the wheels, and I will go and reset it inside. So yeah guys, I put the wheel back on, everything is on. So now let's go and reset the light. So to reset the light again, just need to put the key in, put it in the on position. I'll get started. Then press this button right here. Press and hold. Now leave it, press and hold again. Leave it, press and hold again. Now it's good, it's 60,000. So guys, this is how you reset the brake light. It's the same thing for engine oil. So my next video will be I have to do a service, change the oil on this one. I will show you how to do it and reset the light again. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the like button and share it to your friends, families and everyone, and help me reach 1000 subscribers please. Thank you. Bye bye.